Are you okay? It's a question we ask our friends, our family members, our co-workers, but we aren't always ready to hear an honest answer.
Well, this is Mental Health Awareness Week, so we're looking at how groups in our community are addressing mental health. Tonight, KSHB 41 News reporter Todd Palmer turns over the mic to first responders in Kansas City, Kansas.
Trauma comes in many forms. Some are easy to identify, when firefighters have to rescue people from a burning building or provide assistance in a bad car crash, for instance. But for first responders, even mundane aspects of the job, like working 24-hour shifts, can create stress, as we learned from two members of the KCK Fire Department, Peer Support Coordinator Mallory Super and Captain Steve Pope.
How do I kind of adjust to this type of schedule? When do I grocery shop? I mean, the stuff that kind of the seasoned veterans take for granted. So those just starting out don't really know, how to kind of organize their life.
Beyond the challenges of the job, firefighters face the same issues at home and with family as anyone else.
Life doesn't stop when you're at the fire station, and so that kind of adds another layer of things.
Super, a licensed first responder psychologist, helped start the KCKFD Peer Support program in 2018.
We were kind of behind the times.
The goal was to start a conversation and give KCKFD members an outlet.
We provide resources to people. We are an ear for those that may want to talk to us. We just try to provide understanding when they go through bad situations, whether that's at work or at home.
But she's also learned that it's critical to meet people where they are in their mental health journey. It starts with specially trained peer support staff throughout the department.
I think that having access to someone who absolutely gets it, and maybe they're running that call with you right next to you, having that understanding and the availability, I think that matters.
It's also expanded to include the First Responders Golf Foundation, which Pope started in 2020 after detailing his mental health struggles on social media.
Well, for me, my story was, taking that anger home to my family. That's how I manifested things they would do to trigger me at home. Some of us die by suicide because they can't handle all of that, the family life, this job. And so I wanted to tell my story.
The foundation offers first responders a chance to connect in a more relaxed atmosphere.
The people that we have had out on the golf course, it opens up, frees their mind, I think.
A 28-year veteran of the department, he's seen the difference starting a conversation makes in the bunkhouse.
Anymore now we talk around the kitchen table about the calls we ran, whereas in the past, when I came on the job, you didn't. And that stuff builds up.
The key is finding healthy ways to release it and process the emotions that come with the job and with life.
We went to a small town in Kansas, and they'd had a fatality fire, never really had anything like that. And just to be able to sit down with them for a solid 3 hours and talk about it, and to see the actual relief on those people's faces, I mean, that's it. I know my why.
From Kansas City, Kansas, I'm Todd Palmer, KSHB 41 News.